you are a quick starter, and I just want to make sure that everyone knows why we're here.
Yes, please.
So Chris is our expert. So as you guys know, we've launched something that we call VEC Community. And VEC Community, pretty much, the main goal of that is to increase the value of our portfolio companies through experts like that, like Chris. So pretty much what we are doing today, we are launching, I would say, a series or a habit of meetings where we'll be sharing kind of experts' knowledge so that you guys can leverage that in terms of tools, processes, expertise, contacts to grow your business. And Chris is one of our experts that we have within our community. Today we have 3 experts. Today you guys will see one expert that's already in the network, but also you will see other guys that are pretty much our partners in terms of other sales activities. So this is kind of a kickoff, so I'm glad that you took over. So I'll leave the stage to you. But if you will have any questions or you will, want to get to know Chris a little bit more after the meeting, just let us know and we'll connect you guys together. Okay? And this will be recorded, so you will also get the video.
Thank you very much, Doc, for that. Yeah, for that introduction. So hopefully the context is a little bit more set on to some random guy off the street just grabbed. Who's this guy? That's right. That's right. Who's this guy with the green shoes? My luggage didn't come in, by the way, so I'm wearing the same stuff I had to wear yesterday. Apologies for that. So anyway, there's tons of things to talk about, and do it in an open way, and in a way where you can really let your hair down and you can really be yourself and really get to the essence of what this is all about. So I'm not here to be prescriptive and say, this is how you got to do it. But what I want to try to do is I want to distill some of the lessons that I've learned over the years and provide them on a palette, and then you guys can decide what's useful for you.